Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Errors. If your Windows 11 PC suddenly started giving you some challenges, like no sound, sometimes keyboard and mouse they are not functioning well, or the internet speed is slow, maybe sometimes your device loses connection with your Wi-Fi network. Now, especially on Windows 11, most of the updates are automatically downloaded and installed. However, there are some driver updates. Those would not be pushed automatically by your Windows 11, wherein you can always go ahead and manually download and install those driver updates. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide wherein you can go ahead and follow the same instructions to update your Windows 11 laptop, desktop, or all-in-one PC drivers within just minutes. So in the first step, go ahead and press and hold Windows and I button together. You will be taken to the settings. In the left menu bar, at the bottom, you will notice Windows Update. Click on it. Now in this window, you will notice if there is any update available to your system, like I have one here. Click on Download and Install. Further, scroll the window a little and look for Advanced Options. Click on it. Further, click on Optional Updates. Now in this window, we'd have multiple sections. Like one at the top is Windows Update. Just go ahead and expand it. Right below we see driver updates. Just expand it. And we have one driver update available here, which is from HP directly. You may have multiple driver updates available in the same window, and these updates will not be automatically installed. So you can always click on these advanced options, optional updates, and choose available driver updates or Windows updates. Then download and install. That is one way to look for possible hidden driver updates on your Windows 11 PC. In the second step, you can always access your manufacturer's application that is usually pre-installed on the devices. For example, this is HP PC. We have at the bottom HP Support Assistant. You can always access this application to look for any possible dedicated updates for this PC. Sometimes many driver updates will not be available in the Windows driver update area. So you can always check in this section and access your updates from this tab. Similarly, on Dell PCs, you can look for Dell Support app and download and install the driver updates. So these are two simple steps that you can always access and do the driver updates or look for hidden driver updates on your PC to get the optimum performance out of it. On top of all, I want to bring it to your attention before you download any driver updates or some critical updates on your PC, always create a restore point. And if you don't know how to do it, I'll attach a link in the description. You should go ahead and watch the video and create always a restore point on your PC. Also, if your computer's performance is not up to mark and you're disappointed, you can go ahead and also do a full cleanup and optimizer on the PC. And if you don't know how to do it, we created a dedicated guide, a whole video about it. I'll go ahead and also drop that link in the description. You should go ahead and watch it. And that is it. Hidden drivers found and installed. That was so easy and quick. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You have a question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer back. Until next time, have a lovely rest of day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.